combinations of food, right? So we're trying to help our digestive system. The digestive system takes up a huge chunk of our energy, right? So the more you can help it out by not putting in things that make it hard for it to digest, the easier it's going to be on you. So when you eat steak and potatoes, protein and starch, the old standard steak and potatoes, that is a digestive nightmare, right? Because your body needs the acid to break down the protein, the meat, right? And yet it's got the starch in there absorbing all the acid. So that thing kind of sits in there like a boom. Now, lunch you can get away with a little bit more, but boy, when you do this at night, which we'll talk about at dinner, and then you go sit in a hotel room, you're going to be fighting that thing all night long.